Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today we have Vlogmas with the Home Decor Luxe Club, and that's being hosted by Allie from Glam Elegant Living. Now we do have some co-hosts, and I'm going to be linking everyone below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, so that you can see what everybody did on Vlogmas. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, what I decided to do today was take you shopping with me at Aldi's, because they have some awesome stuff here and good quality for Christmas. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.